Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing part three, and this part has not been added to my sneak peek, so you're gonna have to watch this video to find out what I did. Yep, you already probably saw it, but for this video's demonstration purposes, I'm gonna press F, and it's gonna switch to a machine gun. Oh, come on, come on. So the machine gun deals less damage to your enemies, but it shoots way faster, as you can see. But that's gonna be it for this show off. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna close this. Oops. So now we're gonna implement this into our real game. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're going to go to the if else. I think no, we're gonna use an if then. Inside that, we're gonna use an if then else. So now first we're gonna go to sensing key F press. That's what I am using. You could use any key, but I'm just using the F key. Now we're gonna create a bunch of new variables. One, we're gonna name one gun unlocked question mark. And yep, I think that's it, but I'll probably you'll probably see me add another variable in the middle of the video. So let's just see. Gun equals one. If gun equals to one, yeah. If gun equals one, then set gun to two. Basically, we're checking if the gun is equal to 1, then we're just going to set the gun to 2. But if it's not 1, we're just going to set it to 1 because that's the number of guns we have. But if you're using more than one gun, we're just going to use if. So use a bunch of ifs. So that's the way to go with that. Next I'm going to go to the bullet because that's what I have to do next. In the bullet, you've got to first of all add a bunch of ifs and if else's. So first we're gonna check if mouse down. Then we're gonna use an if else. So we're gonna go if then else. First in the if we're gonna go gun equals one. Right. If gun equals one, just gonna duplicate this old code. We're just gonna keep the first one here. Just gonna scroll this down a lot. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to go if gun unlocked equals one. If gun unlocked equals to 1. Just going to quickly duplicate this. If gun unlocked equals to 1, then again we just want to see if gun equals to 2. Gun equals to 2. We're going to go with this weight. We're going to change the weight because we want this gun to shoot way faster. Um, I think that's almost going to be it. We're going to just quickly set them both to the original, set gun unlock to 0, and we're going to set gun to 1 before we start the game. Now let's just quickly, yeah, gun unlocked equals 0. Yep, that's gonna be good. We're gonna go to costumes of the loot box, and now we're gonna add a new costume. Yeah, we're just gonna draw some crude figures, fill with black, just, you know, um, so excuse my drawing, it's not really that great. So we're just gonna quickly rotate this. And yeah, that looks pretty good like a gun. So we're just gonna quickly change this. If touching player, we're gonna switch costume to pick random 2 to 6. Broadcast which power up. Now again, we're just gonna duplicate this. If power up equals 5, set power up to 4. And if it's equal to 6, Then we're going to say set gun unlocked to 1. That's all we're going to do. And yeah, that's going to be that. And lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the enemy because we have to change it. Yep, what we're going to do is in the clones code, we're first of all going to check if touching the color, if the power up is if the power up is 1, then what we're going to check is if gun equals 1, if gun equals 1, yeah, we're going to go last if gun equals 1, change enemy health by -1. If gun equals to 2, we're going to change enemy health by negative zero point 0.5. And now lastly, all that's really left to do is change this. Yeah, I've already changed this. Okay, let's just quickly, for the testing purposes, I'm just gonna set gun unlock to 1. Gonna press F. I mean, that looks pretty convincing. And I'm just gonna quickly test. Um, F. So I'm lagging for some reason, but otherwise this thing is tested, and I've tested this out in the previous game. I've already shown you that. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out and it helps support the channel, and it drives me to provide good content for you guys. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching. Bye.